Hi folks, Ethan Stieber here with Stieber Weather Forecasting, here with it'll probably be a pretty quick forecast update for the remainder of this week and into the coming weekend here just a little bit down the road. And we're going to talk about some warmer weather that's going to build back into the picture for later this weekend and into next week. So first we're going to start off with future radar. We had a little bit of rain in the area today, especially in our eastern sections. That's all moved out of here. And I'm just going to let this future radar loop go into the future. You can see there is not really any rain chances to speak of as we go through these next 7 days. You can see a little bit of a cold front may potentially bring some showers and thunderstorms up northern Ohio and into Michigan. But we're going to stay pretty nice and mild throughout the area this week. You can see we're going through Friday now. No rain chances through this week and on through the weekend. And really, this is looking like a bigger pattern change where we were in a pretty active pattern. It's starting to kind of calm down. But with that calm down, we're going to trade off and we're going to get a little bit of warmer temperature. So let's go through daytime highs for this week. I don't have a 7-day forecast graphic put together, but we'll go through day by day what each day for forecast highs look like. Forecast highs for tomorrow look to be pleasant. Across the area, mid to upper 70s. You can see northern areas, say around that Charleston, Mattoon area, about 75. Southern areas along that US 50 corridor, maybe 77, 78. So it's going to be very comfortable tomorrow. If you start your first day of school tomorrow, now I know a lot of school districts in our area will start on Wednesday. Wednesday looks to be almost as good of a day as tomorrow, temperature-wise. You can see couple 80s across the area, but generally all of this kind of magenta color, that's still upper 70s. So, you know, most areas are still looking at upper 70s to maybe touching that 80-degree mark for the first day of school on Wednesday. As we go through the day on Thursday, temperatures warm up just slightly. I think this model's overdoing it just a little bit, but lower to mid 80s for the day on Thursday. You can see up here in the northern Ohio and southern Michigan. That's where that rain was cooling. That's where the rain's cooling the air. So, like I said, we could see a little bit of a front with that may knock the temperatures back down a little bit. But Thursday, mid to upper 80s. Friday looks about the same. We're going to be about lower 80s for everyone involved. As we go through the weekend's going to warm up just slightly. You can see Saturday, high temperatures look to be in the mid to maybe pushing the upper 80s and say around 85 for most of the area. And by Sunday, we're looking at mid to upper 80s for most of the area, especially along that US 50 corridor. We're saying 85, 86, maybe up around that Route 16 corridor. 85, 86, maybe seeing 87 or an 88 somewhere in the viewing area. So 90s are in the forecast for next week, though, too. So really enjoy these cooler temperatures that we have, this taste of fall as we get ready to head back to school. What I've got pulled up now for you is the Climate Prediction Center. They put out a 6 to 10 day and 8 to 14 day temperature and precipitation outlook. You can see vast majority of the country, including all of us in the area here, are looking for above average temperatures on the 6 to 10 day temperature probability outlook. This runs from August 20th to August 24th. And to take us through August 22nd to August 28th, you can see we're still in above normal temperatures expected. So that means that first week of the high school football season coming up next Friday is probably going to be a warm one. So make sure you plan accordingly for that. Precip, with the adjusted pattern, you can see our rain chances are going to go down significantly, as I showed you on future radar. So we're looking at significantly lower than average chances for precip, and even on the 8 to 14 day, we still stay in that below average mark. So overall, make sure to enjoy these next couple days. Like I said, for most of us going back to school on Wednesday, highs are going to be spectacular. Mid to upper 70s, maybe touching that 80-degree mark in a couple spots across the area. So enjoy the cool weather while it lasts. Get outside, enjoy those cool nights. We're looking at also some cool nights, lower to mid 50s expected here on Tuesday, Wednesday night. So get out and enjoy the weather. Get ready for the heat to make a lovely return for the area next week.